Hi everyone, hope you all are doing well. So in this video, we'll be doing a few drawings with very basic shapes, letters, numbers, whatever easiest we can do, okay? So if it is a parent, they can refer to this video and teach to the child. Or if it is a beginner, this is the best way you can start doing a drawing, okay? Okay, so now what are we doing? We'll start drawing a family of inverted U's. Okay, family of inverted U's. Okay, so this is a baby inverted U. This is a brother inverted U. This is a sister inverted U. This is a mommy inverted U. Daddy inverted U. Okay, and grandmother inverted U. Oops, sorry. Yeah, and why do we take board and chalks or markers? Because it is the best way you can practice. You can draw 100 times and you can erase 100 times, and once you are thorough, then you can take your sheet and do it on that. Okay, so you don't have to worry that you're not able to. And on this you will get a nice grip, and then you can shift to the sheet. Okay, so now we have finished the family, the inverted U family. So what do you get when you do inverted U's? You get a rainbow. Nice? Okay, cool. So then we'll put the coloring in these when we are doing it obviously on the sheet or on the book. Then we'll be filling in the colors. Okay, so this is the way you can learn easiest of the rainbow. Baby inverted U, brother inverted U, sister inverted U, mother inverted U, father inverted U, and grandmother inverted U, grandfather inverted U. Okay, now next. Now we draw a muffin. Okay, how do we draw a muffin? So we put a sleeping line first. Okay, if you can't put a sleeping line straight over here, you can take help of this margin of this board. Put a sleeping line, straight sleeping line. Tada! Wow. Now what do? We put a slant line. We put another slant line. Okay, to put slant lines, easiest way you can put slant lines is you can put two dots over here and then just connect it. Okay, slant lines, fine. Then what do? You put curves, waves. Okay, what do? You put waves. All right, like a lip. Okay, or like number 3, you can say number 3, wavy number 3. Like you put number 3 like this, that will also be okay, no problem. If you want to try this, then what you do is you put a wavy number 3. Okay, like this, fine. Okay, understood. Then what do? You first erase this. Now what you have to put a letter C. Okay, letter C, you put one more letter C. Okay, and then S over here, and then you have to pull it like this. Becomes a leaf like shape. Yes, and then you have to put inverted C and inverted C, or you can say you are putting number 3 again over here. Okay, fine. What is this? What did you draw now? This is a muffin. Nice, no? You want to make it more attractive, you can put some hearts in this, or you can put some dots, multicolored dots in this. Okay, when you're coloring on the sheet. All right, I'll show all that later. Now onto this cup, what do? We put two eyes, circle, circle. Okay, and then we put two circles in this. Okay, one small and one big. Okay, one small and one big. Okay, when you are doing it on the sheet, then you will color the bigger circle and leave the smaller circle as is. Okay, then we'll put a nice smile. So how do you put a smile? Letter U. Okay, and then like this. It's nice, looks nice, very easy. How did we do? We put two slant lines, we put a sleeping line, and then we put a number 3 wavy one, and then we put inverted number 3 here and a number 3 over here. Or else you can say you put a C, inverted C, C, inverted C. Okay, and then over here you are putting inverted S like a snake. And then just connect it to this side. Okay, then put the dots and put the eyes and the mouth. Your muffin is ready. Cutie beauty, no? Okay, now next. Now we are drawing French fries. Okay, we put a sleeping line over here. Then you can put inverted U's under these. So you get an idea that your inverted U's don't go teda meda. Okay, it is like nice. Now from here we are putting a slant line, and from here we are putting one more slant line. Okay, and then from here we're putting one more family of inverted U's. Okay, if you don't want, straight away you can put two sleeping lines, no problem. Don't go for all this. Okay, if you want to make it more attractive, then you can put those inverted U's. Fine, see, this is little plain. Yeah, when you want to give that cartoon effect and cute effect, then what you will do, you will put a sleeping line, then you'll put inverted U's, number 3's. Okay, then you will put slant line. Okay, then we have to put again a sleeping line. This was baby sleeping line, this is mommy sleeping line. Then again we put number 3's or inverted U's. Okay, once this is done, then what do? We go on putting the thin rectangles for the French fries. Go up, put a sleeping line, down. Go up, put a sleeping line, down. Go up, put a sleeping line, down. Or you can say two standing lines and connect. Okay, a little slant from here. Okay, little slant lines you can put. Okay, here also we'll change a little to give that realistic effect. Okay, yeah, small and big French fries. Okay, ready? Then what do you do to make it look little better? You put red and white stripes. So these are the white stripes, thinner ones, and these are the red ones. The broad ones are red colored. Okay, done. If you don't want to do it this way, then what you will do is, then we are again putting eyes in this. So how do we put the eyes? Like this, simple curves. Put eyelashes all through like sun rays. Then put a smile. Okay, looks nice, cute, fine. Now we are doing a car. Okay, what are we doing? A car, and I call it a very easy peasy car. So what do? Draw C. Okay, letter C. Then draw inverted letter C, face to face. Okay, fine. Then put an inverted U. Okay, inverted U, done. Then once again, then connect this. Okay, then what do? We'll put wheels over here, one wheel and two wheel. Okay, then connect this. Fine, easy. Then put inner side wheel. This one, small wheel. Then in this, if you want, you can put a standing line, and connect this. Or else, if you want to make it more better, you can do it like this. Okay, double ones. Fine. And then erase this part. Okay. Then what do you do next? You need a light in this portion. Okay. And then you need a light in this portion. Or else what you can do is you leave it over here and put a light over here. Okay. Now put a light over here. So how do you put a light over here? You put a standing line, a sleeping line, a number 7, a letter L and a number 7. Okay, done. And put a small latch over here and put a small latch over here. Nice. Your card is ready. Okay. Sorry. Now we are doing another card. Okay. In this, what do I call this is letter A card. So from here we'll start, like how we write letter A is like this. Okay, but in this card what I'll be doing is I'll give a little curve over here, like this. Okay, little curvy. This is a little curvy one. Then so from here I'll put one more line. Okay, then I'll put a nose for the car. Okay, now I'm erasing the extra thing. Extra lines I'll erase. Okay, and from here I'll put a sleeping line, one more sleeping line like this. Okay, okay, then I'll erase this part. Okay, now I'm putting window for the car. Fine, inverted U. Okay, then standing lines. Window is ready. Window is ready. Yeah. Then I'll put a light over here. Okay. I'll put small circle over here. And then I'll put a noodle over here. What will I put? A noodle over here. See? Noodle. So inverted U and inverted U, connect it with the U. Okay, noodle. Then again over here, like this we did over here, no? Like this over here. Okay, inverted U and inverted U. Erase it. Okay, and then U becomes a noodle. Okay, then put a circle. Okay, circle, then put another circle. Okay, then we'll erase these lines and we'll erase these lines, and then we'll put baby circle. So once you have done this, the window is ready, the car is ready. This is a designer car. Nice. Now we are putting a steering over here. Okay, you don't want, don't put, no problem. Leave it like this. Fine, the car is ready. Okay, yeah, fine. Now next, now comes the best part, my favorite part. Ta-da! Nice. Yeah, that was a surprise, but then no problem. So here's a similar one hanging. Okay, this is the vine. Okay, so these are two trees, and then we are helping this monkey hang on this vine. Okay, what do we do? We put a tail. Okay, like number 2, half the way number 2. Okay, if you put sleeping light, it becomes number 2, no? So half the way number 2, and then inverted U. Okay, inverted U. Then you have to put a little oval circle. Circle, oval, whatever, no problem. Fine. Then you have to put letter M, small letter M. Okay. Then you have to put letter C, and inverted letter C. Okay. Okay. Then we are putting eyes for the monkey. Okay. Then we are putting small circles in the eyes. Okay. Then we are putting a nose. And then we are putting a smile. Okay. That's a smiley monkey. Where are the legs? The legs are over here. Number 7 and inverted 7. Okay. If you can draw, you draw leg, toes for this. Okay. If you can't, then no problem. Just ignore it. And these are simple hearts. Okay. Okay. If you can't, no problem. Just ignore and put 7 and inverted 7. So then your legs are ready. Then what do? You have to put hands for the monkey. Okay. So you say letter L and inverted L. Now in this hand you can give the monkey a small banana. Okay. Banana. Okay. Or else you give it in one hand only. Like this. Okay. Fine. And in this hand, if you want, again you can put a heart. If you don't want, ignore it. Okay. Fine. Your monkey is ready. You can put small C's in this. And you have to try this. How did we do this? First the U for the vine. Okay. Then put leaves, oval shapes. Okay. You have to put what? First the tail, then the bumpy back of the monkey. Okay. And that's inverted U. Then you have to put the face. Then you'll put the small letter M. Then you'll put C and baby C. Inverted C and baby C. Then you'll put eyes, nose, mouth, smiley mouth. And then the legs, number 7 with heart, inverted 7 with heart, and letter L for the hand, and inverted L, then the banana, easy peasy one. Okay. Looks nice. The monkey is nice, no? Try this, okay? So here are my drawings that we did on the paper, okay? So this is how it looks like after you color it. Do try and let me know through the comment box. Hope you liked it. Bye-bye. Thank you so much.